Alright, so today we're gonna do Copart walk around. This will be my first walk around. I'm gonna start off with this Crown Vic. I believe it's a 2004. This is a salvage title car. It's supposed to be on run and drive, so gonna check it out. Look and see how it runs. Okay, inside is it's kind of dirty. This one is vandalism. As you can see, that had a frog in it, so we may make this one pretty quick. Yeah, I think we may skip on this one. Well, the back seat looks pretty good. Let's see. I don't know how long it's been sitting, but we'll try. Alright, so this one, the hood is actually stuck, so we may not be able to get this one to run. Yeah, the hood is stuck, so we won't be able to start this one. But it doesn't look too bad, especially for an old police car. If it runs and drives pretty good, and it goes pretty cheap, it'll be good. All right, next we're gonna do this Honda Accord. Let's see what year this one is. This is a 2009. It has a clean title, but the loss is mechanical. So we'll see if it starts, see if it has any power. This one doesn't have any power either. So let's pop the hood. Inside looks pretty good. Body looks good too, and it's a V6. That's even better. So let's see if we can get the hood open and get it jumped off. All right, so we got the jump pack hooked up, so let's see if it'll start. Okay, we got power. Has a service light on. See how many miles it has. Has 186,000 miles on it, so it's not bad for a Honda. See, it's been sitting a while. Got a lot of, from the looking at the wheels, got a little damage on the body, but otherwise it's pretty good. Not really sure what the mechanical damage is. Okay. try to see if it'll go in the gear. It does go forwards and backwards, but as you see, it's got a flash and check engine light, so that's not necessarily good. Could be something simple, could be something a little major. It's always good to come out and check it. Let's see if the air works. Let's see. Ooh, air does work. It is very humid this morning. It's just a little after 9 and it is hot. Inside is really nice in here. All right, let's move on to the next car. All right, so the next car is gonna be this Lexus ES 330, I believe. It's a 2004. Has nice wheels on it. This one is not a clean title. This one is a salvage title. As you see, the rest of the body's good until you get to the damage right here in the passenger front. It's like broken suspension parts. Got the wheel pushed back into the fender, so you probably need a new fender. May can save the bumper. Definitely gonna need the suspension parts, and then you may need you're gonna need a new wheel because you can see a chunk of the wheel got taken out. May need hinges for the door. I'm not sure, but it doesn't look too bad because overall it looks like a pretty nice car. Paint's in pretty good shape. Let's see what the inside looks like. Inside looks really good. Seats don't look bad. Back seat looks really good. Let's see if it has any power. Oh, this one's dead, so let's pop the hood. Got the 3.3 liter V6. Let's get a jump pack hooked up, see if it runs. All right, so we got the jump pack hooked up. Let's start it. It's got power. Let's see. Got a bit of a knock. It's got a lot of lights on. Check engine, track off, VSC, maintenance required. It's got 200. Can't really straighten up the wheel, but it's got 211,000 miles. Like the knock cleared up. Maybe it's been sitting a while. Just needed oil to circulate. You can see it's leaking oil from the smoke coming out. So it's probably got a pretty bad oil leak. So this one may have had new struts too put on. So this one, we'll go ahead and turn that one off because of the oil leak. Otherwise, it runs good. Dash is pretty good. Interior is really good in this one. May need just a little work and it could be right back together. I may have a hard time finding that wheel. I don't know how old these wheels are, but it makes the car look really good. See if I can get a better view for you. Yeah, chrome wheels, they go really good, especially with the chrome trim and the color of the car. That concludes the walk around for today. If you guys like it, or if you have any suggestions, please drop down in the comments. Like the video, share, subscribe to the channel. I plan to do a lot more of the walk arounds. So thank you guys for watching.